Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back for another video. I know this video is totally different from everything else I've been doing for like basketball reaction videos and any kind of other reaction videos, which I will be doing different types of videos reacting to those. Stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I'm going to be showing you guys how to gain watch hours by watching your own videos. It might seem kind of complicated, but just follow these steps and you will be successful as far as like getting closer to 4K watch hours if you just start off with YouTube. But if you pass 4K watch hours, you just want to get some extra watch hours while you like doing other stuff like sleeping or working or playing a game, something like that. Uh, just watch the video and just follow these steps and you'll get to it. Okay, first off, we're looking at my dashboard. This is my channel, King Smooth TV. And what the first thing you want to do is go to these top little three dots right here, which you're going to go to settings. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says clear browsing data. Then you say clear data. You're going to clear that. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. And then what you do, go back to YouTube. So you currently signed out. Okay, so it signed me out already. Okay. Okay, so it's telling me to sign in. So I'm back, sign back in, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to sign out. Okay, come on. My computer acting slow. Oh, gosh. I'm trying to sign out. Okay, I don't know what's going on. My computer is acting stupid. I'm clicking. Gosh. Gosh, gosh, gosh. Come on. What is going on? Like, I have no idea what's going on. Let me refresh this real quick so I can see if I can click on my icon. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, click on your icon. You're going to sign out. Okay, once you sign out, okay, signing out, okay, continue. And what you're going to do, you're just going to close out. Okay, yeah, I'm about to show that. Go back to Google Chrome or whatever kind of internet you're using, whether it's Internet Explorer, whatever you got run as your internet. So I'm going to use Google Chrome. Go back to Google Chrome. What I'm going to do, going to type in duckduckgo.com. Wait for it. Okay. This is another web browser you can use. It's like it doesn't show your VPN in a database web like that. So what you're gonna do on search the web, you're gonna type in YouTube. Type in YouTube. Gonna click on it. Then the first one it says is gonna say YouTube. Click on that. All right. So we're in YouTube, but you're not signed into your account. This is just a dummy account, or just a regular browser like that. So what you can do, go find your YouTube channel. Mine is King Smooth TV. Enter. Okay, you see it right here, the first one, boom, because nobody else is King Smooth TV. I'm the one and only. Then what I'm gonna do, go to my playlist. I got a playlist. What you wanna do, make you a playlist of a few videos you wanna put to where you're gonna be watching these like on a repeat, on and on and on. I'm gonna show you how to get it set up. Okay, I got where it says views. This is the playlist I'm gonna use right here. Click on play all. It's getting ready to load up. As soon as it starts loading up. So YouTube, welcome back for another. That's my video. Okay, so you're gonna pause it right here. Not pause it, but unmute it. You're gonna mute it right here. Then you're gonna go to the settings, and you're gonna change the quality to 144p. I forgot the reason behind that. I guess to make it faster. I don't know. I forgot what it was, but make sure you put it on repeat. You can do shuffle playlist, but I always do loop the playlist, so you keep on playing over and over again. And what you're gonna do, go to the tab. You're gonna right click, and you're gonna duplicate. You're gonna do that. Then you're gonna do it at least. I do it at least 10 times, at least, so you can get a good amount of views and watch hours, depending on how long you keep this running while you're doing other things. You know, I'm just gonna keep on duplicating. And I got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I got 10 right here. So what I'm gonna do on each one, I'm gonna do the same process I was doing. You're gonna make sure it's muted. Go to the settings. Make sure it's on 144p, which it already is. You're gonna hit the loop. Do the exact same thing for all the rest of them. Make sure it's muted. Make sure it's on 144p. It is. Go over here, hit the loop, and just, like I said, you keep doing the same tab the same way, the exact same way. This video is not going to be this long. It's probably like the shortest video ever. Well, other than the short video I made, guys might want to go check that out. It's nothing major really, but like I said, just keep on doing the same thing on each tab. Just check it. It should be the same except for the loop. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just keep on going to each tab and hitting loop. Hit loop. You're gonna keep seeing this saying you signed out, sign into live video, comment, blah blah blah. Don't worry about that. Just hit got it. I just hit somewhere else. So keep on. Make sure you hit the loop on each tab. It's going to continue playing until you end up stopping it. Okay, as you see, got all these tabs running the same video, and I got at least like 6 or 7 videos on this playlist. You can do more. It really doesn't matter, as long as you got enough that has at least like maybe 10 to 12 minutes, and depending on how many watch hours you're trying to get as soon as possible, you do the math for us, like how many videos you're gonna put up, how long is each video you putting up, and how long you're gonna be doing this process, as far as like just letting it run throughout the day or throughout the hours that you wanna have your watch hours building up. And so yeah, that's just a little quick video on how I do it. You're actually not doing it from your account, you're doing it from, non-account. That makes sense. Just go to, like I showed y'all, go to duckduckgo.com, and then you're gonna type in YouTube to search it. It's gonna be in a different, because DuckDuckGo is gonna be actually a different browser that doesn't show you VPN. I apologize for stuttering. It's a problem I have. You have to deal with it, because I got to deal with it. But anyway, I'm sorry. But yeah, go to YouTube. You're gonna go to YouTube. Then you're gonna search your name, your YouTube channel. Then go through the process I showed you for, like, duplicating up to 10 times. But you can, if you want to, do up to like 20 or 30 maybe. But depending on your internet speed, it should work for us, like with no problem with like videos stopping and buffering and all that stuff. But as you can see, all these videos are, and it's gonna be running for hours as long as I want it to keep running. But I'm finna stop it in a while because I gotta record some videos for you guys for today. So finna end this video. So hopefully this technique help you guys to get your 4K hours quickly as possible, or just add more watch hours while you're doing different things around the house or at home. I mean, at work, playing basketball, or whatever you want to do, whatever you do in your free time. But anyway, I'm talking too much, and yeah, like I said, I hope this technique helped you guys, and if it does, just let me know in the comments below. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. And your King Smooth, I'm out. Oh, and let me know what kind of videos you want me to react to, and I will make sure I will get that done, because I'm gonna be doing different videos other than basketball. So stay tuned for like boxing videos, funny stuff, scary stuff, anything in that nature like that. But yeah, I'm out. Stay smooth, stay blessed.